Hey folks, temperatures warming up a little bit across parts of the valley today. Notice the upper valley staying in the 60s, but the lower valley climbing up around 70 or so, even the low 70s in some places like Port Isabel at 71 right now. It's 72 in Brownsville, so certainly warmer temperatures by a little bit along the coast. And the light rain and drizzle has been real spotty. We'll look at that again, but it's out there. Overnight tonight, readings will stay in the 60s pretty much all night long. And then tomorrow, we do warm up a little bit, probably back in the 70s, but the clouds are still going to be here. Still going to be an overcast gray day with from time to time a couple of showers, mostly like today, that light misty stuff. The next 3 days, the norm's 83. We're going 77, 84, 81. So kind of back up to normal or so as we head through the rest of the weekend and the beginning of next week. This is your radar over the region, and it shows a lot of that really light stuff. It's all green, and light green is mist. But look to the south, and there's still more down there, and it's still trying to work its way up the coast. So I think we're going to be in and out of this stuff all night tonight and probably a good portion of the day tomorrow, at least the first part of the day, if not all of it. Watch Future Track, and it keeps the green here through 11 o'clock tonight. So a lot of the football games will be damp, not just a pouring rain by any means, but again, that misty stuff that's out there for much of the game. By tomorrow morning, there's still some light rain and drizzle around, and it continues to be gray all day tomorrow, even into Sunday. Maybe by the end of the day, we get some breaks. The cloud thins a little bit. That helps push those temperatures up just a little bit, but still clouds are going to dominate the next few days, and there will be a continued threat of showers all the way through Monday, but it's all light stuff for the most part, and it's one of those things where it rains for a little while, then it goes away, and even when it's raining, it's a wipers off, wipers off, wipers on, wipers off kind of thing. Around the rest of Texas, 63 in Dallas right now, 66 in Houston, 65 you can see down here, 61 in Del Rio. There's a weak front sitting just to the north of us right now. That does nothing. It fades away, and tomorrow is just a cloudy day again with scattered light rain showers around. We go into Sunday, same kind of thing. Lots of moisture, another front in the state. That front technically goes through, and so Monday is a couple degrees cooler, but not dramatically so. But eventually that pushes through and drier air builds in. It warms up a little bit, and most of next week will be at or above average. If you're traveling up into Texas tomorrow, 57 in San Antonio to start the day. Dallas starts at 53, and while we'll warm into the 70s, the rest of the state from San Antonio southward will, but north of that, see Dallas about 67 tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, a low of 63. Some places staying a little warmer than that, cloudy and cool with drizzle at times, and light showers possible again tomorrow. Another cloudy day. Northwesterly winds early, turning around to the southeast before the day is over with. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and we warm temperatures up in the 80s. Once we get there, we stay there. Long range models show another front late Friday, but right now it doesn't look like it'll promise a whole lot of cooling. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.